Hello everyone and welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exam. In this video, I shall be explaining to you the very recent news that I am sure that you must be aware of about the RBI notification whereby the Reserve Bank of India has taken a decision to withdraw all 2000 rupee note currency from the Indian market. So, what is this news? Why is it important? And you must, those of you who are preparing for CLAT, must have a good in-depth idea about this particular news. I'm sure most of you read it in the newspapers or must have heard in the news channels already. But before we begin discussing this entire thing about this RBI notification, that is the notification that has been issued by the Reserve Bank of India, I have certain very important announcements to make. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive course for CLAT 2024. Now, in this particular course, we are providing you with 300 plus recorded videos across 5 sections, 300 plus hours of live classes, 35 mock tests for CLAT and other law entrance examination, monthly e-magazine for current affairs, and the entire content is based on our analysis of the previous years of CLAT question paper. Now, very important, why is this news? Because of the fact that a couple of days back, the CLAT consortium has come up with a notification whereby they said that CLAT will be held on 3rd of December. ALIT similarly has come up with a notification wherein ALIT has said ALIT is going to be conducted on the 10th of December. So 3rd and 10th of December happens to be very, very important days. And that's the reason. So if you are planning for CLAT as well as ALIT, you must join this particular comprehensive course for CLAT 2024. There are limited seats. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a scholarship test. Get up to 90% scholarship on our preparation program. In this scholarship, will be conducted on 28th of May at 11 a.m. So hurry up and register now for this very important scholarship test where you get an opportunity to get up to 90% scholarship on our preparation program. So guys, let's move on. What's in the news? The news categorically says very recently, and I'm sure that all of you who are watching me now already have an idea about it, that the Reserve Bank of India has come out with a notification wherein it has decided to withdraw all 2000 rupee note from circulation across India and across the world. So what is this notification all about? The government of India through the Reserve Bank has decided to withdraw all 2000 rupee note. यही था जो 2000 का note that came into being after demonetization. Keep that in your mind. So the Reserve Bank of India said that the 2000 rupee note will be taken out of circulation because of the green note policy. What is the reason? Why will these 2000 notes be taken out of circulation? Because of the so-called green note policy. We will come to it about what is green note policy. The Reserve Bank of India has also asked the people to exchange these 2000 rupee note that they are having in their home, in their offices. They get an opportunity to exchange these notes from any bank by the end of September 2023. So by 30th of September 2023, every citizen, every individual will get the opportunity to go to a bank and exchange these 2000 rupees note. These 2000 rupee note is a valid legal tender as on date. Very, very important. Now, काफी न्यूज आ रहा है कि काफी दुकानों, काफी business enterprise are not taking these 2000 rupee note. नो, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता है अंडर द लॉ, क्योंकि रिजर्व बैंक कहता है दिस इज अ वैलिड लीगल टेंडर एज ऑन टुडे. Now, what is this RBI's exchange policy of 2000 rupee banknote? Now, in order to ensure operational convenience and to avoid disruption of regular activities of bank branches, exchange of 2000 rupee banknote into banknote of other denomination. तो 2000 नोट आप बैंक को दे देंगे, बैंक आपको 500 का नोट दे सकता है चार, या 20 100 रुपया का नोट दे सकता है, या 40 50 रुपया का भी नोट दे सकता है. सो इट्स एन एक्सचेंज ऑफ 2000 रुपी बैंक नोट इनटू अदर बैंक नोट्स ऑफ अदर डिनोमिनेशन. इज दैट क्लियर? और एक दिन में द मैक्सिमम लिमिट पर ये मैक्सिमम लिमिट है 2000 रुपया तक. ओके, सो बैंक विल गिव यू नोट्स ऑफ अदर डिनोमिनेशन, 50 रुपया, 10 रुपया, 5 रुपया, 100 रुपया, 500 रुपया का नोट भी दे सकते हैं आपको 2000 के बदले. एंड दिस कैन बी मेड अप टू अ लिमिट ऑफ 20,000 rupees at a time at any bank, which is going to start from 23rd of May, which has already started. Now, the Reserve Bank of India started. Now, ये 2000 नोट का हिस्ट्री हम लोग थोड़ा देख लेते हैं अभी. Now, what is this history of 2000 rupee note? The Reserve Bank of India started printing these 2000 rupee note in the month of November 2016, after our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, scrapped these high value currency of 1000 and 500 rupee note. आपको याद होगा, हम लोग का जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर है मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने एक दिन शाम 8 बजे आके एक न्यूज में बताए, टेलीविजन के सामने बात रखे कि आज रात से मिडनाइट से 2000 मतलब 500 और 1000 रुपया का नोट को लीगल टेंडर नहीं माना जाएगा. पूरा डिमोनेटाइजेशन हुआ था. डू यू रिमेंबर डिमोनेटाइजेशन दैट हैपेंड टू 1000 rupee note and 500 rupee note in the year 2016, which was conducted by the government of India? Mr. Modi came up at around 8 o'clock in the TV channel, and he said that from tonight 500 rupee note and 1000 rupee note will be scrapped. Now, after these 500 and 1000 rupee note was scrapped in November 2016, the Reserve Bank of India started circulating these 2000 rupee notes so that लोगों के पास पैसा हो. Now, these 2000 rupee note were introduced by the Reserve Bank of India with the sole objective कि currency requirement है, demonetization of 500 और 1000 रुपया हो गया है, लोगों के पास पैसा नहीं है, तो कैसे लोग खरीदारी करें. So the reason was this. So we are looking at the history of this 2000 rupee note right now. Okay. Now the Reserve Bank of India has, in its notification, has said that in view of the above and in pursuance of the green note policy. Now, what is this green note policy of the Reserve Bank of India? It has decided to withdraw all 2000 rupee banknote from circulation. So, ये clean note policy क्या है? Now, clean note policy seeks to give to every individual गुड क्वालिटी करेंसी नोट. नोट पुराना, ये तो कागज है, हाई क्वालिटी अच्छा हो सकता है कागज का, बट कागज तो कागज है, फट जाते हैं, कुछ और कमियां दिखने लगते हैं. सो क्लीन नोट पॉलिसी इज अ पॉलिसी ऑफ द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया विच सीक्स टू प्रोवाइड गुड क्वालिटी करेंसी नोट्स विथ बेटर सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम, की वो करेंसी को कोई फॉर्ज ना कर पाए, कोई डुप्लीकेट कॉपी ना कर पाए. तो इसी कारण में हम लोग देखते हैं कि हर 10 साल या 5 साल या 7 साल में करेंसी नोट जो होता है उसको विड्रॉ किया जाता है और नया करेंसी नोट आते हैं. Am I clear to everyone? So here is this clean note policy of the Reserve Bank of India, by virtue of which the Reserve Bank of India says that they are withdrawing all the 2000 rupee note from circulation. Now, the Reserve Bank of India has also said that these 2000 rupee banknote will continue to be legal tender. And that means ये 2000 के नोट को demonetization नहीं हुआ है. It is a legal tender. It is a valid note. It is a valid currency. It's a valid note. But it requires to be exchanged in the bank. Now, for the public concern, the Reserve Bank of India has categorically said that these 2000 rupee note are valid and can be used for transactions. So if you tomorrow say, sir मेरे पास 2000 रुपया का नोट है, वो क्या खराब हो गया? नहीं जी, कोई खराब नहीं हुआ. आप दुकान में जाके खरीद सकते कुछ सामान till the end of September. The Reserve Bank of India has advised people to approach various branches of bank, all the branches of bank, for this exchange of these banknotes. These facilities will be available to everyone for deposit into accounts, and exchange of 2000 rupee banknote will be available with all bank until 30th September. So till 30th September, every individual will get this opportunity to exchange their 2000 rupee note from a bank for other denomination. Am I clear? Is that clear to every one of you? Okay, brilliant. So guys, I hope I am clear about this particular news that is breaking. But before we end, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a 200 Days to CLAT 2024 workshop. This workshop is going to be conducted by Abhimanyu Rajput on the 4th of June at 6 p.m. So hurry up and register now. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive course for CLAT 2024. In this course, we shall be providing you with 300 plus recorded videos across 5 sections, 300 hours of live classes, 35 mock tests for CLAT and other law exam along with video solutions, monthly e-magazine for current affair, and the entire content is based on our extensive analysis of the last 5 years of CLAT question paper. Another very important announcement: join us on the 27th of May at 9 p.m. on our YouTube channel, where Abhimanyu sir will be discussing with you current affairs 2023 January to April complete revision. So he is going to revise all the important current affairs between January to April on the 27th of May at 9 p.m. on our YouTube channel. So do not forget to join us on the 27th of May at 9 p.m. So guys, if you liked today's session, do press the like button, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, do follow us on our Instagram, do like our Facebook page, do join our Telegram channel, and do not forget to download the BYJU'S Exam Prep app. With this, we come to the end of this session. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. I'll be coming with more such important videos very shortly. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.